If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-install solution for mounting a 4-wire flat connector to your vehicle, the Hopkins SAE Design 4-wire flat connector mount is the perfect option. Designed to secure the connector firmly in place, this bracket ensures your towing experience is simple, reliable, and hassle-free. Whether you're hauling a small boat, utility trailer, or camper, this bracket will ensure your connection stays secure even in tough conditions. The bracket folds over flat, providing a sleek and minimalistic profile while maintaining strength and stability. The mounting system is incredibly easy to use, and the bracket is designed to hold the 4-wire flat connector securely, ensuring your trailer lights work efficiently. Though the 4-wire flat connector is not included, this mount is compatible with most standard 4-wire flat connectors, making it a versatile addition to your towing setup. A top-rated customer review highlights the product's excellent fit and durability. One reviewer shared that this was the least expensive option for securely attaching a flat 4 connector to their truck bumper, and it worked perfectly. Unlike other metal brackets that bend easily over time, this Hopkins connector mount lies flat and remains secure, even when backing into parking spaces or curbs. For an affordable, easy-to-install, and reliable way to secure your 4-wire flat connector, choose the Hopkins SAE Design 4-wire flat connector mount. Click the link in the description to purchase and enjoy a more convenient towing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product recommendations and tips.